Hi guys, Barnes here, and hopefully you practicing your transition skills. So let's learn a new trick today called nollie frontside disaster. It's fairly simple. If you're comfortable with your rock to fakies, you can learn this trick fairly quickly. So let's get to it. So as you go up the ramp, you have to turn your shoulder and your board 180 degrees and poke your board over the curb. While you're rolling up, you have to shift your weight to your front track and bend your knees with your back foot while you're turning your board. So when your board is over the coping and you fully turn, you have to straighten your leg and shift your weight over to your front foot so you have a good balance. To get back to the ramp, you have to shift your weight to your back foot and lift up your front track to clear the coping. Aim your shoulders to your front track and make sure you lifted up your front track and you're not going to hang up, and that's all you need to do. If you didn't hang up, you're happy. If you hang up, you're probably on the bottom of the ramp, but don't worry about it. Try again and you can land it, I'm sure, soon enough. So thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned, the next trick is coming on Thursday. Hit subscribe, but the most important is to go out and try the trick yourself, practice, go skate, and have fun.